Hello everyone, my name is Sheikh Mahvish and I am a student of BSc Nursing second year studying in Godavari College of Nursing, Jalgaon. Before joining the college, I didn't know much about the college, but when I get admitted into the college, I got lot of experience throughout my studying year. If I talk about the faculties and the academic is very good here and the faculties are so much knowledgeable. They have the theoretical as well as the practical knowledge and they are so much supportive toward each and every student around here. And not only the teaching staff but non-teaching staff are also very supportive toward the student and their problems. Telling about the college environment is so joyful and vibrant. You can enjoy your learning as well as the co-curricular activities and much more thing here. The biggest confidence of our college is that it has the well-equipped lab for every specialty subject. Just like the highly skilled lab, the gynecology lab, pediatric lab, nutrition lab as well as the community lab. And each lab is well equipped with the articles, mannequins and much more thing which will going to help you to gain the practical knowledge, the hand-on practical knowledge before entering into the hospital. Our college also has a library with more than 5,000 books. The thesis and international and national level of journals are also available there. And our college also have an e-library which has more than 60 computers there. Not only on the academics, but our college focuses also on the co-curricular activities for the students. For example, the sports, the gymnastics, yoga, the horse riding, musical bands, dancing, and many more things which will help the student to develop their personality and also unveil their hidden talents. Apart from all other things, the college also provides the gathering, the cultural events, the festival, which provides the opportunity to students to show their talents, to encourage their talents and to grow, to glow and to be more confident even before. The student not just get the opportunity to participate into the college level events and the festival and the competition, but they also get the opportunity to participate in college level, state level, district level, national and maybe international level in the future. Thousands of students graduated from our college got placement into many corporate hospitals with mesmerizing salaries and benefits. After all these things and getting so much experience here, I am so proud and grateful that I choose this college. Choosing this college to grow my career into is the best decision that I took for my career. If you also are seeing your career into nursing, then I highly recommend you to please check out our college, the Godavari College of Nursing, to grow your career into.